It's your boy Crypto Blood, and welcome to another video where I'm giving you guys an update, a heads up on some more cryptocurrency exchange deals. This time it's Fairdesk. Fairdesk, if you guys don't know, you may have seen a couple of the 30-second commercials at the beginning of my videos, but they're an up-and-coming exchange regulated in the United States and in Canada, and 6 of their co-founders are former Binance execs. And as I'm sure you've read in the bottom right side of the screen, that QR code, I am giving away up to $600 in trading funds for you once you sign up. I'm going to go through the platform. I've been using it for about a week now, week and a half-ish, testing out some scalping systems. And I've already gained over $100 in trading fees or bonuses back to me. We're going to go through all of that in today's video and show you how it all works. They are really trying to gain exposure, so that's why they're bringing this platform to me, and I'm bringing it to my audience so you guys can benefit from all the deals that these cryptocurrency exchanges give out to get and earn more exposure within the community. Fairdesk.com is the website. I'll have a link in the description below, or you can scan that QR code you see there on the screen to earn up to $600 in trading cash. Now, the co-founders of this company are not new to the game. 6 of them were Binance execs and have decided to go out and start their own platform, and they have done a pretty good job. I'm going to be honest with you, between this exchange and Bityard, you guys know Bityard is one of my channel partners as well. These are 2 of the top exchanges that I've seen that is the easiest to use thus far, and they have the best incentives. So Fairdesk is on par with Bityard as far as the rebates you get from trading with them. I am VIP level 3, and that gives you a lot of perks, which can only help you and encourage you to continue to trade on the platform. With the VIP privileges, the higher the trading volume, the higher the VIP status, and the lower the fees. Discover their tiered VIP schedule for higher volume traders. Applies to spot, margin, and futures trading. We're going to go over exactly what you get by signing up with Fairdesk today. As you see, I'm highlighted there, VIP 3, and that basically gives me a maker taker fee of 0.017% and 0.034% respectively. And this is great for me because I am testing out some scalping systems, so I need those lower fees, and this is something that you guys would be very interested in if you're scalping or trading in a frequent manner. You want those lower maker and taker fees. And so they have, as you know, your traditional spot market trading. That's all great. You know, you can go over there and trade dollar for dollar in the spot market and actually buy those coins and take them off the exchange. There's no leverage capabilities here. And as of today, they have maybe 4 or 5 pairs for you to trade there. You know, simple. It's nothing, you know, major there. But what you want to take a look at is their futures trading. That is the USDTM futures. That is the where the action is, and that is where you get the breadth of your USD perpetual contracts that you can trade. Look at all these pairs that you're able to trade on leverage up to 100x, and this is great. Very clean, easy interface. Executions are fast. I use market executions just because I'm scalping, so I need to be in and out quick. And here's my scalping system that I've been trading on Fairdesk with. As you guys can see here, the red tells us to go short, so that is a trade that we went in and took 50% off, where you see the yellow dot there. If I scroll in a little bit more, you can see that, where you can see I took half my position off that trade in the green, in the money. And if I scroll over here, you'll see some of those other trades there. And there's one more section that I have to show you before we get into the nitty gritty, ladies and gentlemen. It is the savings area. They have a savings program called the Fairdesk Savings. And so they're offering a range of APYs based on whichever tokens you decide to put in the savings account. And there are various levels or types of savings accounts you can have: a flexible one, fixed one, and the VIP exclusive one. All those details can be found under Earn. I have yet to put any of my profits into these savings accounts, but I might just do that. Especially with the FDT, you get up to 18% APY, and that's held up for 14 days. You have flexible ones earning 4% on the USDT, and 5% on USDC. And those are flexible as well. So again, you can click the Earn tab to get more information on that. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the bonuses. Okay, under promotions, you will see the bonus tab. And this is where the meat and potatoes are, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, the listed bonuses here, you can get $2 for KYC. Okay, that's not a lot, but the $600 bonus is where the meat and potatoes are. And this is what I am offering you guys. So make your first deposit of only $100 or more and transfer to your contract account. And you will receive 4% of the transferred amount back as a bonus up to $600. And this can really, honestly, offset a lot of your trading losses. And I want to make sure I capture this trade that just went in as I was recording this, ladies and gentlemen. Here's one of my trading signals going short on Ethereum at about 1484. And I'm going to go ahead and place that trade in here right now. All I do is hit the market tab and I'm in futures. I'm on Ethereum. I've got them saved up here, Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then I just hit the button there and boom, order is submitted and we're locked and loaded and ready to go. You can change your leverage or margin amount up here in the top right corner, but it's very simple, you know, like any other exchange. Executions though are pretty fast, I will say. And the benefit, ladies and gentlemen, are the trading bonuses, the deposits, because those can offset your losses. You're going to lose in trading, but what better way to offset those losses but with an exchange that's giving a lot of promotions. And to ease your mind a little bit more, I do want to let you guys know that they have key licenses and certificates that are instrumental and critical for you to say, hey, I'm trading with a legitimate exchange. They have the US MSB license, which is your money services business regulatory license, and that's associated with FinCEN and the US Department of Treasury. A very similar license is held in Canada, so these guys are up to speed and above board with their operations. And so another thing, you know, I did touch on, but I want to just reiterate here is the fact that under your Earn program, you'll see the FDT. You may ask what that is. That is the Fairdesk token. And they, of course, want you to buy this and create a demand for it. So they're giving you the highest incentives to hold this token. This token is going to be listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko very soon. And after that, they will be doing an ICO on the token, which means there will be more demand for the token. And they plan to add additional utility within their ecosystem. Now, in addition to that, if you don't want to buy it outright, you can also earn FDT tokens through their trade mining model, and they will release FDTs to users gradually. Fairdesk will release 50% of the FDT tokens as rewards to each user in the form of a transaction fee refund. Now, I want to talk about these deposits that I get on a daily basis that really helps offset any of my losses that I may incur while trading and testing out this scalping system. As you see here in my email, I have these emails titled Fairdesk Wallet Distribution. What is that, you may ask? Well, these are the actual funds that I was talking about that offset your losses or even adds to your gains. They don't just necessarily, when you lose, you don't just earn money. You earn money just by trading. So every day I've been getting these transactions. As you guys can see here, $25 here. As I started trading more contract sizes, I begin to earn even more per day. So as you guys see, $26, $13. This is every day, $8, $6. And this distribution was done actually today. Okay, so this was from yesterday's trading, $6.40. And trying to tell you guys, this stuff adds up. In total, I've had over $100 in fees credited back to my account. As you guys can see, these, as you see on the screen, these are the same notifications I got in my email, but in the actual history and wallet area of Fairdesk. So these have definitely been of benefit to me. And I literally only put $500 in here, and I have almost earned $100 worth of trading bonuses. So I want you guys to get over to fairdesk.com. You see the QR code, you can scan that or use the link in the description below to start trading on a platform that is really giving you a lot of money as they increase their awareness of this great cryptocurrency exchange. Licensed in the United States and in Canada, and their co-founders are former execs at Binance. They know what they're doing. They're growing rapidly. Check them out. It's your boy Crypto Blood, hitting you with some more cryptocurrency exchange goodies. All right, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and click that bell to receive more videos like this. I'm out of here. Holla!